Hello everyone, I am here with another layout and this one, the background is Basil cardstock, which I get from the Hip Kits add-on kit. And so I'm going to use, as you see, I have all these scraps and I'm going to use those behind my photo. So I'm just cutting my photo down a little bit. All right. I'm just trying to put my photos down on this white cardstock. And apparently I'm having some issues. Alrighty. And this is my Tim Holtz Walnut Stain ink. So now it's just a matter of how I'm going to layer everything down. As I do want to try to use as much scraps as I can. And these are past kits. These aren't, not all of these are from the current kit, if at all. These might just be total past kits. I'm going to try to do some voiceovers. I got I don't know how many voiceovers to do, but I know I have several. And so I'm going to try to do that in between getting dinner ready. I got it chicken in the oven and vegetables on the stove boiling, so. All right, so I cut that in strips to make a journaling spot. And now I'm going to go to my die cuts, which are Pink Paisley's Everyday Musings. Musings, however you pronounce that. Okay. So this is actually just a picture of me. This is when my husband and I parted ways. We were together almost 20 years, but we were only married for, let me see here, for 14 or 15 years. I mean, I was sad about it, but I knew it was long coming. And so this is a picture that I took. My sister had sent me. I think the shirt I'm wearing is the shirt that my sister sent me that she thought would kind of help me through my rough patches. And I had to go and I rent now. um, so I wanted to maybe purchase a house, but thanks to my dad, I let him use my credit card to just put gas on it when he needed to, and he put $6,000 on my card. So, yeah, I've been trying to pay on that. So any extra money I have is paying for that. And unfortunately, I that didn't make matters any better. And so I was going through a really hard time, and my sister got me this shirt that said thankful, blessed, and then there was something else, I forget. And it was very inspirational, very uplifting, and so I took a picture of myself. It was probably the weekend because I'm in my yoga pants. So anyway, so my heart stickers are Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings. And the gold flower is sticker is Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings as well. So everything is pretty much Pink Fresh Studio Everyday Musings. And then my title is going to be Pretty Smile, and that's going to be American Crafts Casey Thickers. So I'm going to get all my die cuts down, and then I will get to my title. And then I just have to figure out exactly where it's going to go. And so down goes my title. And once that is down, then that pretty much completes my layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. And I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel, those of you that do. And when I have more done, I'll be back. See ya.